Okay, tak ada angin, tak ada ribut. Tiba-tiba Ajay dengan Nadira drop a new duet single. What? Cinta Penuh Liku. Jom kita dengar. Obviously a ballad song. Okay, what a combo that nobody thought of. Okay, kedengaran macam lagu Melly Go Slow. Adakah ni lagu Melly? You know that? Macam lagu 90s. Okay. Okay, suara Nadira seperti biasa sedap. Oh, okay. Dramatic instrument. Sedap juga suara Ajay ni I mean, suara dia sedap. Okay, interesting build up. Tiada pasti. Oh, macam lagu. Jalannya hati. Sorry. Aku terdengar lagu tu pula dalam lagu Krisdayanti. Anyway. Jalinan tiada pasti dan aku tak harus tersalahkan dan diriku terabaikan. Ku rindui jalannya hati. Boleh mash up dengan lagu Krisdayanti. She's giving. Oi, music dia heavy juga Okay. Drama, dynamic. Kenapa aku rasa muzik ni terlalu kuat? Okay, chorus ni sedap. Dia ada hook. Good harmony. Suara dia tu aku tak rasa. Suara tu kena dekat belakang. Mixing dia ni, dia kena suara ke depan sikit. Cause the musics are loud. Okay, dia punya penutup. Okay, nice. I love it. Okay, actually Ajay is the composer of this song. Patutlah lagu dia macam sedap. Because Ajay memang power lagu ballad kan. Lagu duet pula tu, okay. Lagu ni sedap didengar. Music dia yang macam orchestra kan. So kalau dengan live ni mesti sedap gila. Cuma my only critics listening using my AirPod, I think that their voices are a little bit at the back. So it need to be pushed forward because I can hear the music too loud. So dia macam it's not balanced to my hearing lah, but obviously the mixing producers and the composers knows best, but that's my only critics of this song. But it's a good song. It has that hook in this chorus, easy listening to. Dark ballad macam ni memang lah makanan orang Malaysia. Good job.